Welcome to the Urban Debate on Magic Bricks. Now I'm Faye D'Souza. Let's take a look at what's making headlines today. Mumbai's potholes are in the spotlight again, with citizens and opposition raising questions over the BMC's lack of a plan for the monsoon. The civic body promises to take action and repair potholes within 48 hours. 11,000 ready-to-occupy homes within Delhi city limits will soon be up for sale. The Delhi Development Authority, or the DDA, plans to sell low-income housing inventory that it's currently holding. And here's news Bangalore's been waiting for nearly a decade. The city's nightlife gets an extension. The Bangalore City Police allows restaurants and eateries to stay open till 1 a.m. on weekdays. Well, Mumbai has been experiencing some of the worst traffic in recent history. Magic Bricks now sent its reporters all over the city to find out what the BMC is actually doing to solve the problem. Now, the BMC has promised to respond to calls from citizens and fix potholes within 48 hours. This comes after the MNS protested the poor quality of roads on Friday and gave the BMC an ultimatum to fix roads in Dadar at least in the next 48 hours. My colleague Disha Shah caught up with Ramakant Biradar, the Assistant Municipal Commissioner, and the recipient of those threats from the MNS, to ask him what the BMC is actually doing.
With monsoon, talking about your ward, Dadar, what kind of complaints you have received so far from the citizens, and how are you addressing those issues, be it with regards to potholes or be it waterlogging or anything sort of?
During the monsoon, mostly we receive the complaints regarding pothole, tree falling or floodings. But we are having the gangs, we are having the teams working around the clock, and we attend immediately. Within 24 hours, we are attending it.
So how do you address those issues in such a manner that, those potholes doesn't come up again in the future during monsoon? So how are you addressing those issues?
See, wherever we find the potholes are over there, so we are filling it with the scientific method only. Once we fill the pothole with the scientific method, later on it does not appear again and again. So our filling of the pothole, it is within 24 hours we are filling it, and in proper manner we are filling it.
Okay.
So there will not be any reoccurrence of the pothole.
When MNS Corporator Sandeep Deshpande had threatened, that if you don't fill potholes, if the potholes are not repaired within 48 hours, they will again take up the action. So what is the status on that?
Their expectation is to fill up the pothole within 48 hours. On the contrary, we are filling before 48 hours only. Within 24 hours, we are filling up the potholes. So there is no any complaints or there is no any controversy regarding the pothole in our area.
While the BMC is promising better roads, has there been any change on the ground? A one-way trip from Andheri, the most popular suburb in the city, to Lower Parel, the biggest business district, will take you over an hour and a half due to the multiple potholes and poor traffic management. Suesha Sawant from my team drove through the 16.5 kilometers in peak hours to bring us this report.
Today I'm driving from Andheri West to Lower Parel. For those of you who are not familiar with Bombay, let me tell you, Lower Parel is quite the hub for offices. A lot of people drive from the western suburbs every day to reach their office in Lower Parel. We are going to take the Western Express Highway. Of course, the monsoons are on, it's raining right now. We are going to see how much time does it take for me to reach Lower Parel during peak office hours. Let me tell you, the distance from Andheri West to Lower Parel is about 15 kilometers. I've set the stopwatch already and it's on. The real challenge is going to be once we touch the Western Express Highway, because that is where we are going to get a lot of traffic. So let's see how the traffic pans out today. We've already been on the roads for about 25 minutes now. That's the time that has taken us to cross from Andheri West to the Western Express Highway. There are a lot of potholes on the way, which obviously not only decreases the speed, but it's also very inconvenient to drive through these roads. I can see the traffic lined up for as far as I can see. We are on the Western Express Highway right now. We are close to the airport. The traffic is almost clogged. It's really insane, and it's a nightmare for a driver to drive like this every day to office during the rains. I can see cars lined up, barely moving, for as far as I can see rather. Thankfully the traffic has loosened a little bit after crossing the airport. I have no idea how much I'm going to get fired by my boss today, clearly for being late. And I think this is a struggle that everybody practically has to go through in Mumbai. We're now crossing Bandra East and we've almost come to the end of the Western Express Highway. In a while we'll be joining the Bandra-Worli Sea Link, which honestly is quite a boon for office goers. It literally cuts the distance between Bandra and Lower Parel. One can cross that in under 7 minutes. We're driving through the Sea Link right now. It looks beautiful during the rains. We've now reached Lower Parel and it's taken me almost an hour and a half to reach office. I wonder what my colleagues go through who drive from Kandivali West every day up and down, and to face this on a daily basis, morning and evening, after having worked the whole day. What's ironic is that as much as living in Bombay is a boon for everyone in terms of the opportunities this city offers, the fact is that this is the quality of life we get. This is Suesha Sawant signing off for Magic Bricks Now.
Well, we also did a round of the affected areas around Dadar, where most of the potholes were complained about by the MNS party. Remember, the MNS workers protested against bad roads in Dadar on Friday last week. However, citizens in this area believe that this is an ongoing issue. And even though the BMC has come in to fix those potholes, the next heavy rainfall and all of those potholes will come back. We caught up with a couple of residents of Dadar's G North Ward. Listen to what they have to say.
जो इन्होंने पहला काम किया था रास्ते का, वो इतना लो क्वालिटी का था कि 2 महीने में खड्डे पड़े। और ये जो रांदड़े रोड है, ये मोस्टली सीनियर सिटीजन का एरिया है महाराष्ट्र। तो इतने पब्लिक इनके खड्डे में गिरे हैं। वापस वो लोग क्या करते हैं कि मट्टी डाल के वापस खड्डा बुझा देते हैं, लेकिन वेरी लो क्वालिटी मटेरियल।
फर्क ही नहीं गिरा है। वैसे हम लोग का ऐसा कितना तकलीफ होती है हम लोग को आने जाने में, लोग कुछ फ़र्क ही नहीं गिरा है, वैसा ही है।
मेरे को तो बहुत तकलीफ़ होता है क्योंकि मेरा पाँव बराबर नहीं है, घुटना बराबर नहीं है, तकलीफ़ तो बहुत होता है। कभी कभी पाँव
ये देख देख के आदती हो गई, रोज़ रोज़ का देख देख के आदती हो गई। सुना कहा तो क्या कि अभी जो लोग करने वाले हैं, जो लोग मतलब उन लोगों को ध्यान देना चाहिए। अभी पब्लिक क्या करेगी? अभी पब्लिक बोल के रह जाएगी। जैसे अब ऐसे बहुत से लोग हैं, ऐसे बहुत हमारे जैसे बहुत से लोग हैं, बोलते हैं रह जाते, बोलते हैं रह जाते।
Now, Mumbai's mayor Snehal Ambekar has taken offence to the BMC being singled out for the shoddy condition of the city's roads and the traffic that we just witnessed. He has written to the Maharashtra Chief Minister asking him to convene a meeting of the multiple agencies that are responsible for the roads in Mumbai. The question that arises this evening is this: does Mumbai need one single agency to manage all of its roads? Is that the solution that we need? If that's true, then should this agency be reporting directly to the Chief Minister if the Chief Minister is being held responsible? Should the BMC be given any part really in managing our roads if they're currently doing such a shoddy job? In the studio with me to talk about whether or not Mumbai needs one single agency to manage its roads, Kishori Panikar is the Corporator G South Ward representing the Shiv Sena. Pal Chandra Shirsat is the spokesperson of the BJP in Mumbai. Raju Wagmare is the Congress spokesperson. Santosh Dhuri is the MNS Corporator, Mumbai. He joins us as well. And Gautam Kirtane is a fellow at the Observer Research Foundation in Mumbai. I want to thank all of you for joining us on the show. I'll start with Kishori. Kishori ma'am, आप बताइए, हमने अभी देखा कि मुंबई के जो रहने वाले हैं, जो सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं, वो क्या कह रहे हैं, जो अभी जो काम पे जाते हैं वो क्या कह रहे हैं बीएमसी के बारे में, एंड द एबिलिटी ऑफ द बीएमसी टू मैनेज द रोड्स. तो आपको नहीं लगता कि बीएमसी इज अ कंप्लीट फेलियर एट दिस पॉइंट? बीएमसी अपना काम ही नहीं कर पा रही है इस साल?
नहीं, ऐसा कहना गलत होगा।
तो आप बताइए कैसे कहनी चाहिए?
काम ही नहीं करते, ऐसा कहना गलत होगा।
आप देख रहे हैं हमारी स्क्रीन पे अभी रास्ते देख रहे हैं आप,
हाँ,
तो क्या कहनी चाहिए?
देख रही है तो भी मैं बोलती हूँ कि आज मुंबई में ही नहीं है, पूरा अदर बीएमसी में भी ऐसे ही हालत है। पुणे में देखा,
मुंबई के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम, मुंबई के बारे में।
तो हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, जो खड्डे गिरे हैं उसके लिए भी काम चालू है। हमारी महापौर मैडम जाके देखिए, बीएमसी को ऑर्डर दिया है, जो काम करने वाले लोग उनके ऊपर भी देख रहे हैं, काम करते हैं नहीं, तो खड्डे में है इसीलिए कुछ काम नहीं, ऐसा बोलना गलत होगा।
मैम, आप जानते हैं कि हर साल मुंबई में बारिश होती है और हर साल रास्ते का यही हाल होता है, तो बीएमसी इसके लिए तैयार क्यों नहीं थी? बारिश के लिए बीएमसी तैयार क्यों नहीं थी? अगर बीएमसी काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे आप बता रहे हैं बीएमसी काम कर रहे हैं, तो फिर रास्तों का हाल ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
नहीं, रास्ते का हाल है इसके लिए हम ना नहीं बोलते, लेकिन वही रास्ता जो आप खड्डे का बात कर रही है तो उसके ऊपर काम भी करती है ना।
कब काम कर रही है? ये काम तो होनी चाहिए थे अब तक।
आज के दिन
बारिश के टाइम पे काम क्यों हो रहा है?
वार्ड में अभी मैं जी साउथ में हमारा जिधर जीके मार गए, सीताराम जादव मार गए, उधर भी खड्डे बुझा के रखे उन लोगों ने। तो काम नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, काम करते, लेकिन जैसा बारिश गिरता है वापस वो खुलते, उसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए।
क्यों
अगले साल में
वापस क्यों खुलते? किशोरी मैडम, वापस क्यों खुलते?
लास्ट ईयर हो गया, उसके कंपैरेटिव देखा जाए तो आज के दिन कम है, हमारे रोड कम है।
मिस्टर शिरसत, इस साल
पूरा बंद है लेकिन कम है।
मिस्टर शिरसत,
तो उसके ऊपर जो काम चालू है, कोल्ड मिक्स या हॉट मिक्स जैसा टेक्निकली ये है तो करते हैं।
मिस्टर शिरसत, आप बताइए, कम है इस बार, इस साल?
Definitely, because cement concrete roads do not develop potholes. So generally,
but
wherever
the roads that we
concrete,
were looking at just now were paver blocks, Mr. Shirsat.
No. Let me complete. Cement concrete roads wherever BMC has done, they are free from potholes. But all the junctions, and which is a speed breaker, basically for the traffic, junctions are with the paver blocks or junctions are with the asphalt, where potholes are being developed. And I have heard Assistant Commissioner from Dadar was saying, we are filling all the potholes. That is true. Within 24 hours they are filling potholes. But he said we are filling with scientific method. What is that scientific method? Your correspondent has not asked. They do not have any method. What they are doing is taking just cold mix, cold bitumen and pouring it inside. There is no adhesive. There is no fixing agent.
Are you saying the BMC does not know how to do its job?
So obviously, whenever pothole is being filled, second day again it is opened.
So you're saying that the work is substandard?
The problem.
Is the work substandard? Is the material substandard?
Material
or is the plan
is not substandard? Work is not substandard. This is not a correct method of doing the work. He said scientific. That is his word, not my word. There is scientific method of filling the potholes which is not adopted by MCGM. There is no scientific method. Only cold mix, only bitumen is brought. It is poured. It is just pushed with small weapons. There is no road roller. There is no scientific way done. Why the potholes are being developed? Because the road area sinks down. When water enters in, that area sinks down. The base becomes loose, soil becomes loose. So you have to make sure the pothole is really made bigger, wider, and the base is to be made, which is not done by BMC. So every time what other residents were complaining, they are filling the potholes. Nobody is denying BMC is not filling the potholes. Within 24 hours, 48 hours, they are filling the potholes. But after another 48 hours, they are again becoming potholes.
So you are saying that the BMC at this point is not able to do its job?
Yes.
The BMC is not able to do its job?
Yes.
Kishori ma'am, respond कीजिए.
Mr.
शिरसत का कहना है कि BMC को अपना काम नहीं आता.
Of no use.
तो आप respond कीजिए.
BMC काम नहीं कर रहे बोलना गलत है. ये भी नगर सेवक बन के गए, अभी ब्लेम करना ही है तो
बीएमसी काम कर रही है, लेकिन वो काम का कुछ फायदा नहीं, वो पानी में बह जाता है। आज भरा हुआ पॉटहोल विदिन 48 आवर्स फिर से पॉटहोल बन जाता है, पानी बहता है। पानी तो आने वाला है, रेन तो आने वाला है, अप टू सितंबर एंड आने वाला है। आज भरा हुआ पॉटहोल 1 महीना भी रहेगा, 1 महीना छोड़ो, 1 दिन भी नहीं
मतलब
रहता।
काम पक्का नहीं है।
नहीं, जो प्रोसीजर है अभी इन्होंने जो मेथड बोलिए वही मेथड से चलता है, बाकी यही मेथड से बाकी का भी रोड बनता है। तो जो रोड बना है पूरा, उसमें वही मेथड थी। पूरा रोड तो नहीं खुलता है, लेकिन छोटा ये जो खड्डा बनता है उसके ऊपर आज के दिन भी वही काम चालू है, लेकिन उसको भी फेल बोलेंगे तो क्या बात करेंगे।
नहीं, लेकिन वो इट डजंट सर्वाइव इवन फॉर 24 आवर्स। प्रॉब्लम इज दैट एक बार पॉटहोल हो जाता है, पॉटहोल होने के बाद उसको भरने के बाद में इट शुड रिमेन एटलीस्ट फॉर 4 months ऑफ मॉनसून। ऐसा नहीं होता है, सेकंड डे वो खुला हो जाता है। दिस इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज द टेक्निक विच इज अडॉप्टेड बाय एमसीजेएम इज रॉन्ग। कोल्ड मिक्स से भरना नहीं चाहिए, यू हैव टू हैव वो खड्डे को भरा करके, जैसा first aid what they are doing.
BMC is,
they are not
I'm
doing
going to ask you
surgery.
that same question. The BMC is run by the Shiv Sena, which is your ally. Are you telling me that as the BJP, if you believe that the work itself is wrong, there's nothing you can do about it? There's nothing the Chief Minister can do about it? There's nothing the Urban Development Minister, who is again the Chief Minister, can do about it?
a lot of things for the state. Municipal Commissioner has to work in BMC. He has to adopt the scientific methods, what they are talking about. There is a STAC committee. STAC committee already has decided parameters how to fill the potholes. All dimensions, drawings and technical specifications are already mentioned. They are available with MCGM.
So why aren't they being used?
But none of the ward officer, none of the contractor, none of the BMC labor is adopting STAC committee recommendations. They are not filling potholes as per that. You show me one single ward officer says what are the STAC committee recommendations. They are aware about it.
STAC committee recommendations adopt क्यों नहीं हो रहे BMC में? किशोरी जी, हाँ,
मुझे नहीं मालूम,
आपको नहीं मालूम, आपको नहीं मालूम। Raju Bagmari, what's your response to the conversation we just heard?
See, the viewers and everybody over here, they should understand one thing. If I am associated a partner in a crime and I come on television and I talk about it, how the crime has been done and what things we have done.
You talk about potholes. You talk about potholes.
Mr. Shirsad,
worried about potholes.
Mr. Shirsad, Mr. Shirsad.
Now let us talk on potholes.
No. You listen to me.
Potholes.
You have to listen to people and you should have a dignity to listen when people are talking.
Please.
Let Mr. Bagmari finish his point.
Don't interrupt in between.
Potholes, please.
No. You just don't interrupt in between. Just listen. As a dignified citizen, just listen.
Mr. Bagmari, finish
I listen to politics, not potholes.
Okay. Whenever somebody is associated in a crime, he cannot come on television, and if he thinks that he come on television and talk about the crime, give him a facility to make him an innocent. It doesn't happen.
No. Just spell out what you're saying. What are you saying? What is your accusation at this point?
What I'm trying to say, last 20 years, BJP is along with Shiv Sena totally controlling the BMC, Mumbai Mahanagar Palika, and working on it as a leading ruler party.
Okay.
So whatever has BMC done last so many years, if you look into this from year 2012 to 2016-17, total budget has been spent. Like this year budget is remaining 47 crores. But if you see before that, total budget altogether is 181 crore that BMC putting on a potholes repair. Last 5 years.
Where has that money gone?
That last 5 years money. Now, Mr. Shirsad is sitting here, BJP, and blaming BMC and telling them that they have not done any specific work. In fact, they are a party of it. These are the BJP people who are sitting 20 years with Shiv Sena, sitting over here and blaming Shiv Sena, and you are asking Mr. Kishori Pednekar, it is not fair, because in this ruling, the Shiv Sena and BJP both was together. Whatever Mr. Sirsat is admitted, the method is not right, it is not scientific, it is not done properly, it is all belongs to Mr. Sirsat also. So when you blaming at Shiv Sena, 3 fingers are going to Mr. Sirsat. So that is what I'm telling the viewers. BJP is sitting over here and trying to show people that Shiv Sena has done. It is not the case. For these potholes in Mumbai, Shiv Sena and BJP both are same responsibility they have. Now the second question comes.
Let's get a response on that. Kishori ji, आप respond कीजिए.
नहीं, हमने तो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली,
लेकिन आपको लगता है कि बीजेपी को भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी चाहिए?
किशोरी जी, एक सवाल,
हमारी एक जो आदत है वो भाई बोलने की,
एक सवाल आपको, कि सिंपल एक सवाल है, ये इतने साल के शिवसेना का और बीजेपी का जो करियर है 20 साल में, आपके इस रोड के इसमें और पूरे बीएमसी के कारोबार में बीजेपी आपके साथ में है या नहीं है, वो बताइए।
नहीं, आज भी बीजेपी हमारे साथी है। हाँ। उनका मनोज कोटक करके जो लीडर है वही और उनके बाकी के सदस्य रहे थे। एक बात अच्छी तरह उन्होंने भी समझना चाहिए, अच्छा है तो हमारा है, बुरा है तो शिवसेना का है, ऐसा नहीं है। हम बोलते हैं ना कि जिम्मेदारी हमारी है, जो हमारे महानगर पालिका के जो रोड है उनकी जिम्मेदारी हमारी है और हमने लिए कर रहे, लेकिन जिस तरह के वो दिखा रहे वो सब पीडब्ल्यूडी ये दूसरे प्राधिकरण के जो रोड है उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन जो शिवसेना का डैमेज करने के लिए ऐसा कुछ करते हैं तो उनको ही मालूम है। लेकिन हमने पहले ही हमारे उद्धव जी ने बोला है कि जितना अच्छे काम का है तो बुरा काम का भी हमने लिया है, लेकिन इस तरह सब बुरा काम है तो ये दिखाने का कोशिश जो चल रही है वो गलत है।
तो आपका कहना है कि बीजेपी को भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी चाहिए?
लेना चाहिए,
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने का सवाल। See, they don't have to take the responsibility.
आज मुंबई के
they
लोग
have this responsibility of this pothole of Mumbai. There is no potholes on the roads. The Mumbai is in the pothole.
Let me bring in another watch. संतोष धूरी, आप बताइए, आपने सुना अभी अभी जो बातचीत हो रही है हमारी स्टूडियो में बीजेपी और सेना के बीच में, किसको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी चाहिए? धूरी जी,
कैसा है मैडम कि अभी कैसा है कि जो वाघमारे साहब जी ने कहा है ना वो सही बात है कि अगर कुछ अच्छा करते हैं तो ये हम लोग ने करके दिखाया, फिर वहाँ पे जब ये ओपनिंग के टाइम जाते हैं तो दोनों भी पक्ष अपने झंडे ऊंचा करके बड़ी बड़ी घोषणाएं देते हैं, लेकिन जब भी ये गलत हो रहा है तभी कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना नहीं चाह रहा है, वो गलत है। इसमें क्या है, जी नॉर्थ के साहब ने जब भी बताया वार्ड ऑफिसर ने कि हम लोग को एसओपी ही मालूम नहीं है कि प्रोसीजर क्या है, खड्डे बुझाने की कैसी है वो मालूम नहीं है। सो ये लोग क्या कर रहे थे इतने साल से, ये लोग को प्रोसीजर मालूम नहीं है। उन्होंने कहा कि जो मटेरियल मिल रहा है वो भी बराबर मिल नहीं रहा है, वो तो मटेरियल जो अगर बराबर नहीं मिल रहा है तो आपने उनको पहला कंप्लेंट करना मांगता था, वो भी छोड़ दो। प्री मानसून मतलब ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि बारिश में खड्डे भरते हैं तो वापिस वो खुल जाते हैं, लेकिन प्री मानसून का काम का क्या, उसका आप प्लीज देखो, वो भी खड्डे ओपन हो गए, तो वो कैसे ओपन हो गए? तो इसमें सब घोटाला, ये बड़ा घोटाला है, जैसा नाले का घोटाला है, कचरे का घोटाला है, बिल्डर लॉबी का घोटाला है, वैसे भी यही भी घोटाला है और ये दोनों भी इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना नहीं चाह रहे हैं, बहुत गलती कर रहे हैं और इसका जवाब इनको पब्लिक देगा। इनको बराबर 2017 में पब्लिक इनको इसका जवाब देगा। ये अपने ऊपर की जिम्मेदारी सब ये कर रहे हैं, स्वीकार रहे हैं इसकी।
नहीं, हमने कभी हमारी जिम्मेदारी टाली नहीं है, हम आज भी बोलते हैं उसके जिम्मेदार हम हैं और हम दुरुस्त कर रहे हैं, हमने जिम्मेदारी कभी नहीं टाली है, हम लोग बोल रहे हैं ना, कर रहे हैं।
किशोरी जी ये एक सवाल है, बारिश के पहले काम क्यों नहीं हुआ? बारिश के टाइम पे जब गड्ढे खुलते हैं तब काम होता है, बारिश के पहले काम
नहीं है, बारिश के टाइम
ये तो सच नहीं है, ये तो सच नहीं है।
पहले भी गड्ढे काम हो गया है, बारिश के पहले भी हुआ है, लेकिन इनका मटेरियल, इनका प्रोसीजर ही बराबर नहीं है, इसके लिए सब ओपन हो रहा है सब। इनको अगर खड्डे नहीं मिलेंगे तो खड्डे का ये कैसे लेंगे?
राजू वाघमारे
समझ रहे हैं ना आप, खड्डे का प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं लोग, बाकी कुछ नहीं है, लोग खड्डे का प्रमोशन करके खड्डे बुझा रहे हैं।
See what is happening actually. This potholes.
हाँ बस यही आप महापौर है जो महापौर माननीय महापौर पीडब्ल्यूडी के रास्ते देखने जा रही है खुद के वार्ड में देखिए उसके फोटो मैंने भेजे को
last so many years
खड्डे उनके एरिया में कितने खड्डे गिरे हो महानगर पालिका के रोड पे
1 मिनट दूरी जी 1 मिनट हाँ
last so many years we are getting potholes on the same street same roads. Now BMC has so much expenses, so much budget of 36,000 crore, more than that. If they are spending around 200 crores on potholes,
where is the 200 crore rupees
why they don't have this technology? Why they don't work on this? Why they don't have everything? Because the only thing is there is a cartel of contractors, there is a nexus with contractors and the ruling party BJP Shiv Sena and the bureaucrats. And this cartel together, they are making Mumbaikars to pay with their health and with their money for this pothole disease and the expenses of their car and the two-wheeler because of the potholes. All these people are responsible for it because they have the nexus between them.
Okay, Gautam Kirtane, I know that you're a researcher, but I also want to come to you simply as a citizen. The fact that we hear these arguments year after year, it rains in this city year after year. We're hearing talk about corruption year after year, and there just doesn't seem to be a solution for any of it. What is this city getting wrong?
There's a couple of things. One is that, like you rightly pointed out, this is a decadal problem and it's evidence-based. I mean, there's no imagination of potholes. They exist before the monsoon also, after the monsoon also. So, obviously, the problem is systemic. BMC has to do some introspection. Simply taking responsibility for works is not important. You have to move further and you have to take the onus of fixing the problems which are systemic, which are chronic, which have been going on for so long. Now, whether it is a method approach, whether it is technology approach, because now it's 2016, you can pick a best practice and tropicalize it very easily. Or is it to do with the structure, the governance structure that exists within the BMC, or is it a matter of simply coordinating, like others have pointed out? There are multiple agencies. The BMC is making roads, the MMRD is making roads, the PWD is making roads, the MSRDC is making roads. There needs to be a coordination, and maybe that coordination is missing, and that's where the change is needed.
Okay, so that's a fair point. I want to bring in Mr. Balchandra Sirsat here. 2 questions for you, Mr. Sirsat. First of all, shouldn't the BJP at this point take responsibility as an ally of the Shiv Sena and the BMC for the last couple of decades? At some point, you have to also take responsibility for what's happening with the city.
Very clearly,
you cannot completely wash your hands of this.
We are not washing our hands. Neither we are innocent, neither we are ignorant. We are aware about what is happening. We have been raising voice in municipal corporation for last 20 years.
So you're telling me that for 20 years you've not been able to make a solution?
for the potholes. And let me make one thing very clear.
So tell me something. No. Let's take this point by point.
But no change has taken place.
Mr. Sirsat, I can stand outside the BMC office tomorrow for the next 20 years and raise my voice, and it might not make a difference. You are inside the office. You are part of the BMC. You're telling me that for 20 years you've been raising your voice and your own ally is not listening to you. What is the point of those representatives of the BMC who have been elected to office if they have achieved nothing over 20 years?
You are interrupting me.
ठीक है, आप बताइए.
Mr. Wagmare wants we to blame BMC, we to blame Shiv Sena. I am not blaming Shiv Sena up till now. I have not uttered a single word against Shiv Sena.
You have said that their method is wrong.
Mr. Wagmare wants
ruling party is the Shiv Sena. Ruling party is the Shiv Sena.
Me to utter against Shiv Sena. Let me tell you.
So you have just said that their work is inadequate.
Only one party is ruling the BMC.
In municipal corporation, all key positions are with Shiv Sena. They are the major ally party. They are having 80 corporators. They are having.
Then why are you in that alliance?
Now listen to me. Listen to me.
Why are you part of that alliance if it does not serve any purpose for you?
The standing committee, which is responsible for all that, we are with them. We are associate with
गलत बोल रहे हैं. स्टैंडिंग कमेटी में इनके भी मेंबर रहते हैं.
अरे वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. मैं इंग्लिश में बोल रहा हूँ. वही बोल रहा हूँ. We are associate with them. We are not stopping any developmental work, any work related to Mumbai city.
आप मुझे ये बताइए.
However, the ruling party in corporation is contractor lobby.
तो
Contractor cartel, contractor lobby, supported by Shiv Sena so many years and also supported by Congress CM.
शिरसा जी, तो आप इस गठबंधन को तोड़ते क्यों नहीं?
Has always supported. This is first time
I have a question.
CM of BJP has put contractors behind bars.
I have a question for you, Mr. Shirsat. Very simple question. If for 20 years you have not been able to get your voice heard,
yes,
you have not been able to get any work done, why are you still in that alliance? Why is the BJP still part of an alliance जिसमें कोई काम ही नहीं हो रहा है? तो आप support क्यों दे रहे हो?
BJP requires money. That's why.
आप support क्यों दे रहे हो
We cannot be with Congress. We cannot be with Congress. We cannot be with NCP. We have only option is Shiv Sena. We are with Shiv Sena.
ये कोई जवाब है?
This is how they work.
But it is with ideological alliance. This is ideological alliance. Ideological alliance does not mean we are with them with the corruption of contractors. Corruption of contractors we have always opposed right from 1996. Sardar Tara Singh raised voice against corruption of contractors, and today also potholes are being filled not scientifically. Why not? Municipal commissioner is responsible. He has to answer for this.
Assistant commissioner का तो उसके ऊपर तो मुख्यमंत्री का कमांड रहता है.
मुख्यमंत्री का कमांड रहता है. कमांड रहता है. अरे आपका कमांड नहीं है. शिवसेना का कोई सुनता ही नहीं है. शिवसेना का कोई सुनता ही नहीं है. शिवसेना चेयरमैन स्टैंडिंग कमेटी. Chairman standing committee has no voice.
मिस्टर शिरसत,
सुनता ही नहीं है.
मिस्टर शिरसत, आपका कहना है कि स्टैंडिंग कमेटी का कोई सुनता नहीं है. आपका कहना है कि स्टैंडिंग कमेटी का कोई सुनता नहीं है. आपका कहना है कि अभी कॉर्पोरेशन में बीजेपी के जितने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं उनका कोई सुनता नहीं है, कि बीजेपी का कोई सुनता नहीं है, चीफ मिनिस्टर का कोई सुनता नहीं है. तो फिर आप इस गठबंधन में क्यों हो?
Will you allow me to talk for 2 minutes? I'll explain.
मुझे you just give me this suggestion that why is the BJP supporting a government that is corrupt?
गोष्टी तुम्ही करू नका. तुम्ही तुमचा बघा, तुमच्याकडे कोणी शिल्लक राहिले का? ऑल पीपल आर लिविंग एमएलएस. एमएलएस को इतना बड़ा पॉटहोल हो गया है. एमएलएस के सब नगर सेवक जा रहे हैं.
मिस्टर शिरसत,
पॉटहोल पहले भरो, फिर मुंबई का भरो.
यही बोलते रहो.
पॉटहोल भरो.
धुरी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि आपको बहुत दुख हो रहा है.
बड़ा पॉटहोल हो गया है,
चल रहा है ना,
कोई भर नहीं सकता है.
इसके लिए आप ये बात कर रहे हैं, बाकी कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. आपका यही काम है. चाय पहले भरो, वैसे खड्डों पे चर्चा करते बैठो.
पार्टी को संभालो, फिर इस मुंबई शहर की बात करो.
आपको मिलने वाला है, ये ध्यान में रखिए. आप ये जो
2017 में आपका खड्डा कितना बड़ा होता है कि खड्डे का नाला होता है और सब बह जाता है एमएनएस. पता चलेगा. लेकिन what we are talking about is potholes is that yes, this contractor should be punished. They should be put behind the bars.
मेरा कहना कॉन्ट्रैक्टर नहीं, एमसी और एएमसी को पहले जेल में डालो. बाद में इसके सब इंजीनियर जो 24 आवर्स काम करते हैं इंजीनियर, और उनको छोटे छोटे मछलियों को क्यों डाल रहे हैं?
और
मुख्यमंत्री का बोलो पहला एमसी और एएमसी जाने दो अंदर, बाद में हमारे इंजीनियर को लेके चलो.
यार कोई छोटी मछली नहीं. चीफ इंजीनियर छोटी मछली नहीं होती. चीफ इंजीनियर एक बड़ी मछली है. होल चीफ इंजीनियर रोल
गरीब लोग को देने का छोटे लोग को दे दो.
चीफ इंजीनियर
देखो अभी 2017 में तुम्हारा पॉटहोल कितना बड़ा होता है.
टू प्रोटेक्ट
पॉटहोल कितना बड़ा होता है देखो. आप सब देखेंगे.
शिवसेना वांट टू प्रोटेक्ट करप्ट पीपल. चीफ इंजीनियर को गरीब बोलती है.
ओके वन सेकंड.
मैंने वही बोला जो
चीफ इंजीनियर गरीब
जो आप बोल रहे हैं.
एक मिनट. Let's stop for a second, Mr. Shirsat.
उनको पहला ले लो. ताबे में
गरीब है.
उनको नहीं लेते. छोटे-छोटे लोगों को पहला लेते हैं.
अच्छा, एक मिनट.
पगार लेता है वो गरीब है.
We will not be able to achieve anything if we shout at each other right now. Okay. I have a couple of questions.
और उसने भी प्रशासन का
Mr. Duri, एक मिनट. Mr. Duri, एक मिनट. Mr. Shirsat, one minute. My question is, this city is currently run by an alliance between the BJP and the Shiv Sena.
Yeah.
I'm speaking purely as a citizen at this point. When I listen to this conversation, when this is the kind of differences that arise between the two parties who collectively rule the city, how will you achieve any work? If you are not able to see eye to eye, if you are not able to reach a conclusion and agree on anything, काम कैसे होगा?
नहीं काम होगा।
किशोरी जी आप बताइए, अगर ऐसे हो रहा है,
बोलती हूँ, हमारा जो पक्ष के प्रमुख है उद्धव जी आज के दिन भी काम ही करते हैं। और उन्होंने जब भी नायर हॉस्पिटल में कैथ लैब का जो उद्घाटन हुआ तभी भी उन्होंने बोला गलत है तो आप बोलो, लेकिन सब घोड़े 12% मत करो। हमने जो रास्ते का काम है हम कर रहे हैं। और
तो
अगले साल बोला था कि नहीं ज्यादा
किशोरी जी आई एक्सेप्ट, किशोर जी मैं ये मानती हूँ कि आप लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले रहे हैं कि गड्ढे हैं रास्ते पे, पर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने से काम नहीं होता। जैसे गौतम जी ने बताया था, इसके आगे हम सोल्यूशन को भी देखनी चाहिए। अभी आजकल हम कहीं से भी दुनिया में कहीं से भी हम वो मेथड्स लेके आ सकते हैं, वो साइंटिफिक जो डिटेल से लेके आ सकते हैं। और बॉम्बे इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सिटीज इन द वर्ल्ड। हमारे काबू में ऐसे कुछ नहीं है जो हम नहीं कर सकते। तो हम क्यों अभी व्हाई आर द सिटीजन स्टिल सफरिंग? सोल्यूशन कहाँ है? बस बात मानने से काम थोड़ी होती है।
जो मुख्यमंत्री, सम्मानीय मुख्यमंत्री के साथ जो रूल चालू होता है अपना महाराष्ट्र में या मुंबई में, एक तो पूरा जो बजट रहता है या टेंडर रहता है जो लोग भरते हैं उसको मिलता है। हम लोग वही बोल रहे हैं कि वो चेंज करो। अच्छा कंपनी आना चाहिए तो बजट का ये मत देखो, अच्छा कंपनी कैसा इन्वॉल्व होगा वो देखना चाहिए। और
बीएमसी का जो पूरा बजट है, बीएमसी का जो पूरा बजट है 40,000 करोड़ रुपए की बजट है बीएमसी के पास।
Can I say something?
राजू वकमारे,
see what is happening here. We are just running behind the bushes. Problem is over here that if BMC want, India went to Mangal. हम लोग वेनस मंगल पे जाके आ गए हैं। We are so advanced, and in an advanced city of India, Mumbai, we cannot fill our potholes, and we have to do that every day.
What is the solution?
The solution is we have to get a multinational companies, a top companies in the world to come in a road contracting. But why?
Sir, top companies L&T qualify नहीं होता? L&T qualify नहीं होता?
Can I say something? See what is happening. The solution it is we have to get a good company. Why we cannot get a good company? Because in BMC, if you go, any new company can go. They cannot enter because the contractor, bureaucrats, and these ruling parties of BJP, Shiv Sena, they have the cartel. What this cartel does? If the new company fill out the tenders, the cartel comes together. They give the lowest tender. Now, the people, this BMC, they give this contract to the lowest tender. Automatically, that the good company is going out. Another thing, last 3 to 4 years back, one of my friend, I know the guy, I don't wanted to mention over here, he bring the techniques of filling the potholes. Now, that guy was running with his technique 2 years. And these contractors, nobody responds.
I want to ask Gautam Kirtani. 1 second. I heard you.
Let me finish. Yeah. What is happening? Because if this you have to understand the major problem. These potholes will finish in one day. There will be no tender. There will be no money for the ruling party. The potholes is there. Work is going on. There will be money to ruling party.
You're saying it is in the general interest of the cartel and the corruption to keep the roads back. Gautam Kirtani, you are working with the local government on various issues, whether it is garbage, sanitation, you've worked on air pollution also. Tell me what sort of response you receive from the BMC, from the officers, from the engineers, from the corporators when you attempt to work with them.
So, across the board, government is not yet opened up in a over years, not yet fully opened up to working with external stakeholders. More and more, it's not just working with the Observer Research Foundation. We have been working across the board with various agencies, CIDCO, MCGM, MMRDA and others. They should open up to many more people, universities, colleges, students.
We're specifically talking about the BMC.
Absolutely,
right
the BMC
Is the BMC not open to working with?
Not as much as they should be, certainly not. And there's a lot of lessons to be learned. A lot of people want to contribute. Pro bono, they will help you. The city is going to help.
When you say that they are not open, does it mean that you keep going with suggestions?
No, so the BMC is a very old animal. Okay, it's got its procedures in place and they are very, very shackled. They are very, very bound. That's why I'm saying governance is the key. You have to unshackle the BMC. It needs unshackling. Obviously, we have had a time in Mumbai when we have had really good roads, so it knows how to work, it's capable of executing. There are problems, the BMC themselves will admit it, the ruling parties, whoever they are at that time, will admit it. There needs to be significant change in the governance structure, in the coordination between different agencies. Let me tell you, we're talking about roads because car owners have a voice. We're not talking about footpaths because pedestrians do not have a voice. Yes, the degradation of footpaths is unprecedented in this city. And why are we restricting it only to transportation infrastructure? If you're talking transportation, you know, look at the hassles of the commuters on the train. That person doesn't have a strong voice, you know. We need something like a UMTA. Again, it comes down to agencies. This is not my responsibility because the jurisdiction is not mine. Whether you talk about something as simple as public toilets.
You require a political willingness to do
no,
these
things.
In
fact, you know, I'm going to ask our
power, which BMC doesn't have.
I agree.
And which I'm happy. I'm happy BJP. I'm happy that BJP is admitting that last 20 years they are in a BMC with Shiv Sena and they don't have this political willingness to do.
Yes.
If they would have done it,
I agree
the situation of Mumbai, which would have been not there, that every year it is the same situation. And if you,
okay,
if you
so
look
I'm
into,
asking all of
if you look into the roads, one second.
Mr. Bhagwani, I've heard you out. Just 1 second. I want to ask all of our panelists here, Kishori ji, Mr. Shirsat, you know, Mr. Wagmare, Mr. Dhuri, everybody who's listening at this point, I want you to set aside which party you come from for 10 minutes on this show. I want you to honestly tell me, does Mumbai need one agency? Should the Chief Minister form an agency, एक agency, जो पूरे मुंबई के रास्ते अकेले संभालेगा? Yes or no, is that the solution? Let us not go by which party we come from, but actually honestly tell me, because all of y'all have worked in the government, if that is the solution we need. किशोरी जी, आप बताइए, एक एजेंसी जो सारे मुंबई के सारे रोड संभालते हैं।
ये होना ही चाहिए। हमारे 2012 से हम उनके साथ, गवर्नमेंट के साथ, वही उसके आगे भी पहले भी पत्र व्यवहार कर चुके हैं, लेकिन अभी जो वांगमारे जो बोल रहे हैं कि वही गवर्नमेंट में भी ध्यान नहीं दिया। हम लोग तो वही बोल रहे हैं कि MMRD है या रेलवे है या सब, एक तो गवर्नमेंट के पास रखो, नहीं तो BMC के पास दे दो। हमारे पास दे दो तो हम मेंटेन करेंगे। आज के दिन अभी जो शिरसट ने बोले कि ज़्यादा से रोड अपना सीमेंट कंक्रीट बने, इसीलिए ज़्यादा पॉटहोल नहीं है। यही मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि जिधर अभी है उसके बारे में जो पेवर ब्लॉक बोले, वो हर एक आता है और अपनी खुद की टेक्नोलॉजी लाता है। तो जो सब टेंडर वेंडर बनता है वो रूलिंग पार्टी नहीं बनाता है, और ये IAS ऑफिसर बनाते हैं, सनदी अधिकारी बनाते हैं। उनके बारे में सोचना वो गवर्नमेंट का काम है, उनके बारे में सोचना वो जो मुख्यमंत्री बैठे उनका काम है। 60 साल उन्होंने किया, अभी ये आए, मुझे लगता है आने वाले जो मुख्यमंत्री वो अच्छे काम करेंगे, वो अभी देंगे। लेकिन आज के दिन हम बोलते हैं कि हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, रास्ता अच्छा बनना चाहिए और हम बना के देंगे।
Dr. Keerthani is on the phone line from Mumbai. Go ahead.
Hello.
Hello.
You know, I really feel very sad that here everybody is just playing the blame game. Right? That is all that is coming through. Do any of these people really care about the situation of the roads? Instead of talking how to remedy the problem, they're only pointing fingers and pulling each other down. I mean, what's happening? Doesn't anybody have any feeling for the city, for the country, for the citizens?
That's a fair question, Dr. Keerthani. That's a question we're also asking. I want to go to Mr. Shirsat with that question. One, where is the feeling for the citizens at this point if we're just tearing the city apart on politics? And secondly, can we set aside our politics and just find a solution for the transport problems of Mumbai? Because it's an immediate problem that requires an immediate overnight solution. We can't wait 4 years, we can't wait 10 years. This has to happen over the next couple of days because it's currently far too painful. Can we set aside our politics?
Setting aside all politics in which others are interested, we are not interested.
Okay.
We are in power. We are here to give service to the Mumbaikars. Pothole relief, pothole free roads will not be possible this year, but pothole relief, pothole to be filled properly. The technology is available in the city by the city experts, by the city engineers. It is not adopted by municipal commissioner. What is doing right now being done is just patti work. That work is not going to last even for 24 hours.
I have a very quick question for both of you. Kishori Patnekar and Balchandra Shirsat. Are you placing the blame right now on the municipal commissioner?
Yes,
is
definitely.
Mr. Ajay Mehta at fault? Is he the only person to be held accountable?
See, number one. See, Ajay Mehta is head of the department.
Isn't it the chief minister's call right now to transfer him if he's not doing his job?
Definitely not. Municipal corporation is the independent agency. Let me tell you, PWD.
Who posts the municipal commissioner in his job?
Whoever has posted, somebody has posted you as host comparing this show. That is not fault of the person who has brought you here. You have to perform. Mr. Commissioner has to perform.
If he's not performing, shouldn't the chief minister then transfer him?
Mr. Commissioner and additional municipal commissioner and chief engineers, the chief engineer road is behind bars now. Chief engineer vigilance is behind bars now. And we have heard.
So is it just the bureaucrats' fault? The political parties that run the BMC have absolutely no blame to take in this
at all? Political parties, you have to understand, in municipal corporation, absolute powers are not with the political parties. Mr. Wagmare would agree to this.
I don't understand why we vote these. Yes, Mr. Wagmare.
Please,
Mr. Wagmare.
Powers, executive powers are not with the elected people and mayor. Executive power just like state.
तो हम वोट क्यों देते हैं? हम वोट क्यों देते हैं आप लोगों को?
Can I say something?
Mr. Wagmare.
See, listen to me. Now what happened? Now what happened?
Okay, Shirsat ji, हमने अपना बात सुना.
All this BJP and Shiv Sena, it was blaming before कि there was a state government was run by Congress. That's why it was happening. Now the same BJP are saying there is no state government's any issue. BMC is independent body. So they talk. So listen to me. So
this is spoiled by Congress.
Mr. Shirsat, listen to me.
So they talk.
They talk on both sides. That is number one. Now,
all traffic congestion by CM, all project delayed by CM.
When you are talking decency,
metro maze by CM.
BJP has to learn decency. When you are talking,
we have enough decency.
I am listening.
Whole city
Listen to me, Mr. Shirsat.
By Congress.
If you are not having control, then
Mr.
this is what's going to happen.
Mr. Shirsat, one second.
You have to listen to people.
No, to both of you. Both of you.
Let me explain.
Whenever I am talking, you allow me to talk.
I am listening.
I have allowed you to talk.
Mr. Shirsat, I always make people to listen.
Okay.
You have to listen when I am talking.
Mr. Wagmare.
Now listen to me. The point is, there are two things. First, whenever our government is there, these people are saying the state government is responsible.
Okay. Now they have their own government.
They are saying that now they are their own government, their own chief minister, they are saying the BMC is independent body. Now, simple thing I'll tell you. The total roads with all agencies, if you look into the kilometer wise, it is total 126 kilometer road is only with all other agencies. Rest almost 2000 kilometer road or 1900 plus kilometer roads, it's with BMC. So you can say only 10% roads with all other agency. Last 2 years, BJP government came into the state. Last 2 years now, almost 2 years will happen. 18 months before, all the agencies gave the proposal to the BMC that they can hand over all the roads and they can do the maintenance of it. Now, in BMC, the BJP and Shiv Sena is there. In state, BJP and Shiv Sena is there. Last 2 years, their government is there in state. Why couldn't they take the decision that BMC will hand over all the roads and BMC will do the
Okay, fair enough. All right. I heard you out.
Why they
we circled back to party politics, although my question was to set party politics aside.
This is technical question, Miss Faye. This is technical question. Why 2 years they couldn't able to give all the roads to BMC to maintain?
I
if
asked
their
you for
government in both sides.
Okay. Mr. Dhuri, आपसे हम पूछेंगे कि अभी सॉल्यूशन क्या है? मुंबई के रोड्स की सॉल्यूशन क्या है?
में एक ही सॉल्यूशन है ये दोनों जो ब्लेम कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे के ऊपर, ये छोड़ना मांगता है इन्होंने। और जो मेथड है बहुत अच्छा मेथड है, इंटरनेशनल मेथड है, वो लाना चाहिए और पहला लोगों का विचार करना चाहिए और वो खड्डे बुझाने चाहिए, बाकी कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए। ना इनको राज्य शासन कैसा चल रहा है और ये बीएमसी कैसा चल रहा है, एक दूसरे पे ब्लेम नहीं करना चाहिए। अपना काम अच्छी तरीके से करना चाहिए। जो 20 साल में ये लोग नहीं कर सके हैं, वो आगे क्या करने वाले हैं। अगर इनको मालूम है कि ये खड्डे बार बार खोल रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए जो प्रोसीजर है वो अपनानी चाहिए और उसके अच्छी सी तरह से वो अपना के, जैसे फॉरेन में होता है, सब जगह होता है। अच्छी कंपनीज भी आ सकती है इधर, लेकिन ये जो लोगों का जो मिली भगत है, इसके वजह से अच्छी कंपनी कोई नहीं इसमें इधर इंटरफेयर नहीं कर रही है, इधर नहीं आ सकती है, इसमें भाग नहीं ले सकती है और लेना नहीं चाहती है, क्योंकि उनको किसी को देना नहीं, उनको क्वालिटी मेंटेन करना है, उनको किसी को दे के क्वालिटी मेंटेन नहीं करना, उनको सिर्फ क्वालिटी मेंटेन करना। और ये जो प्रशासन, ये लोगों को नहीं चाहिए, जो बीजेपी और सेना जो बैठी है, इनको ये चीज नहीं चाहिए। अगर ये चीज खत्म होती है तो अच्छे रास्ते मेंटेन हो सकते हैं और अच्छी कंपनीज आ सकती है, पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती है और अच्छा काम हो सकता है।
Gautam Kirtani, what is the solution for Mumbai?
Well, like you've suggested a little earlier on your show, you can have a single window approach, whether it is agencies coming together or not, whether it's a whole power is transferred and responsibility is transferred. What is needed is a single window of responsibility, and it has to be followed with a single window of accountability. It's accountable. If it's everybody should be accountable for any pothole that you find on the road. And let's talk about scientific technologies for building better roads before we talk about scientific technologies for filling potholes.
One second, let him finish. Mr. Wagner, let him finish.
So let's have the emphasis on building really good quality roads, so the problem of potholes don't exist or they are minimalistic in nature.
See, the road contractors, when they do the roads, there is a minimum guarantee of 5 to 7 years when this BMC gives a road contract. Now, if you see this today, this year also, you can see the potholes in that guarantee period roads. There is a potholes. So that means the contractor which they are appointed to build the road, that itself it is a faulty. So naturally the roads will get faulty.
Okay, fair enough. I want to take this point back to Kishori Padnekar. Kishori जी, आप बताइए, अभी 2-3 बातें आए। एक तो शिरसट जी ने बोला है इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स के पास कोई पावर नहीं होता बीएमसी के अंदर, सारी जो ब्लेम है वो अजय मेहता और उनके असिस्टेंट म्यूनिसिपल कमिश्नर्स पे ही है। तो हम इलेक्ट क्यों करते हैं लोगों को? अगर आपके पास कोई पावर ही नहीं है, आप लोग कुछ कर ही नहीं पाते, तो ये सिस्टम ही गलत है। फिर तो हम शिवसेना को बार बार इलेक्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं? अगर आप बोल रहे हैं कि बीजेपी और आपके हाथ में
नहीं करना, इसके लिए शिवसेना आती है, कांग्रेस नहीं चाहिए इसके लिए। कांग्रेस
आई वांट टू नो कि हम इलेक्शन क्यों लड़ते हैं? अगर आपके पास कोई पावर है ही नहीं तो आप इलेक्शन क्यों लड़ते हैं?
मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगी, नहीं मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगी कि हमारे पास पावर नहीं है। हमारे पास पावर है, हमारे पास पावर है और ये पावर है करके ही मुंबई चल रही है।
काम करना है,
पावर है करके ही मुंबई चल रही है। आज के दिन कभी भी आपने देखा रात को भी काम चलते हैं, आज रात को काम चालू है तो कोई भी जाके और काम बंद करता था। वो जो सिस्टम है वो गलत चल रही है, उसके बारे में हम कहते। हमने ऐसा नहीं बोला कि हमारे पावर नहीं है, हमारा पावर है।
आपके ये इशारा आप साफ-साफ बताइए किशोरी जी, साफ-साफ बताइए आपके ये इशारा किस तरफ है, किसके तरफ करें?
नहीं, मैं किसी के पास इशारा बिचारा नहीं करती है। मैं वही
कौन आपका काम कौन रुकवाता है आप बताइए।
आज हम जो अच्छे काम कर गए, लेकिन जो बुरा है उसकी भी जिम्मेदारी हम लेते हैं। हम भागते नहीं है, हम भागने वाले हैं नहीं।
किशोरी दाई सच बात कर रही है। She is talking about truth, not she is lying.
Okay, किशोरी जी आप मुझे ये बताइए, अगर अभी बीएमसी को ये और शिवसेना को ये प्रॉब्लम की सोल्यूशन निकालनी है तो आपको अपने एलाय, गठबंधन एलाय जो है बीजेपी से क्या चाहिए, क्या सपोर्ट चाहिए?
बीजेपी क्या कर रही है और क्या देगी हम नहीं सोचते। हमें इतना ही मालूम है कि
आपकी अलायंस है, मैम आपकी अलायंस है, जो अभी स्टेट चलाते हैं, जो चीफ मिनिस्टर है वो बीजेपी है, आपकी एलाय है, आपकी अलायंस है उनके साथ, तो आपको उनसे क्या सपोर्ट चाहिए?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है आज के दिन चीफ मिनिस्टर अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं। ये आने वाला साल या अभी जो चल रहा है उसके बारे में अच्छे सोच रहे हैं, और जब जो हमने मांगा है, बीएमसी ने, हमारे महापौर ने मांगा है, वो बिना शर्त दे देंगे। हम
फिर रास्ते का ये हाल क्यों है? फिर लेट्स कम बैक टू वेयर वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम। अगर सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है तो मुझे 2 घंटे क्यों लगते हैं ऑफिस पहुंचने में बारिश के टाइम?
उसके बहुत अलग अलग रीज़न है सब मैडम, या ऐसा नहीं है कि वही रीज़न है, अलग अलग रीज़न है। एक तो आज का दिन जो गाड़ी की संख्या बढ़ गई है, बाकी की भी प्रॉब्लम है। आज बारिश आया इसलिए लेट हुआ, लेकिन जब ये बारिश नहीं होता है तो अंधेरी से पहुंचने के लिए, मुंबई से अंधेरी जाना, अंधेरी के जाने के लिए भी 2.5 घंटा लगता है।
क्यों?
तो उसके बारे में रोड बड़े होने चाहिए।
रोड बड़े कौन करेगा मैम?
हम लोग करेंगे।
तो क्यों नहीं हुआ अभी तक?
होएंगे ना, बिल्डिंग्स है, बहुत उसके रीजन है, एक ही रीजन में नहीं चलता है ना।
I am completely unsatisfied with any of these answers. I have a minute left, Mr. Shishar.
See, let me put properly, BMC elected representative does not have executive power. There is a difference between power and executive power. Executive powers are 100% with municipal commissioner.
Okay.
The standing committee has approved stack committee recommendations to fill the potholes. Please,
let him
1
finish.
minute is for me. Now those potholes, how to fill? Technology is there, local technology is there. Municipal commissioner and engineers and contractors cartel, including additional municipal commissioner then, who is not there with BMC now. They have not adopted the method, and that is why this problem of potholes is there. Now, if this is adopted, we will be pothole free. Secondly, traveling on Western Express Highway doesn't take during monsoon 1.5 hours. During every day, throughout the year, it takes long time. It is only because there are lot of vehicles and we have got limited road. We have to have road over road, multiple methods of transport like various metros, and they are going to solve, but not overnight. In next 4 years, you will find Western Express Highway very smooth. Just like Eastern Express Highway, there is no traffic now.
I doubt that there's no traffic on the Eastern Express Highway, but we've run out of time. The conversation continues. If you're stuck in traffic at any point, send us photographs, send us videos. You can WhatsApp it to us. You can send it to our website. You can upload it on our Facebook page. You can reach me personally on Twitter. Send in any photographs. Send in the pain that you're facing as a citizen of this city. We'll bring together the people who are running the city right now, and we'll get you answers. That's what we do on this channel. Thank you for watching.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.